The iOS 18.3 public beta is now out for everybody. I've been using it since yesterday and quite some interesting new features that came up with this. There are not many dramatic changes, but there are quite some few interesting new features and changes that I want to bring to you. Of course, it comes with a whole lot of security fixes. There's a little tweak on the battery life. I'll have to use it for maybe 2 weeks to be able to tell how much good the battery life has become on this beta. I tried out the Geekbench benchmark. I had better score after updating to this beta. Right now, you can actually go to the control center and add some apps into your control center. I mean, third-party apps. I couldn't wait. I just quickly added my Blackmagic camera on it. So the most exciting one also, I can now put the ChatGPT dialogue on the control center, and I'm going to show you what I asked it. And here is how ChatGPT on iPhone 16 Pro answered me. Hello, ChatGPT.
Hi, Star. How's it going?
Can you tell me the top 10 new features of the iOS 18.3 public beta?
Sure. iOS 18.3 public beta introduces several cool features. 1. Enhanced robot vacuum integration with the Home app and Siri. 2. Apple Intelligence, an AI-driven language processing tool, though it's currently limited to American English. 3. Optimizations for better battery life and overall system performance. 4. Improved accessibility tools like Control by Camera and Write to Siri. 5. Subtle user interface enhancements, including updated icons for accessibility and control functions. Anything else you'd like to know?
Yeah, make it up to 10.
Absolutely. Here are a few more features from iOS 18.3 public beta. 6. Expanded Apple Intelligence features for Siri with better photo organization and editing tools. 8. New privacy features, including enhanced tracking protections. 9. Support for new widgets and home screen customizations. 10. Improvements to the Messages app, offering new features like enhanced media sharing and better group chat options. If you want to dive into any of these features, let me know.
Thank you. That'll be all for now.
You're welcome. If you have more questions later, feel free to ask. Have a great day. And even more interesting also is the few things that has happened with the privacy. There's a tweak to the privacy here because you're going to get notification once you scroll down the control button of every app that has been accessing either your camera, your mic, and some other background activities right there from the control center. So that's it. we did part of this video with ChatGPT, and it was actually fun, having it, tell me some of the things I have to go back and look out for. And yeah, it was quite interesting. So make sure you follow me here for prompt up-to-date tech tips like this. And until I see you in the next one, it is peace and joy to our world.